Okay, so power's out right now, so I'm not sure when I'll post this. But yeah, these are my OCs. I drew them for Valentine's Day last year, 2022. Look how cute they are. Um, and then I decided to redraw them for Valentine's Day 2023, which I know is late. This drawing took me this one here took me probably 2 hours. You know, it's not bad. And then we got here. Do you see this? This is my masterpiece. And this one took me, I don't know, 4 to 6 hours. I'm not entirely sure. 3 hours of that footage is gone. Of this beautiful footage. 3 hours of this gorgeous, gorgeous footage is gone. And